What's up guys, Gary here today with another video. In today's video we're actually installing my buddy Jack's bed rack and rooftop tent. It's kind of drizzling right now, and hopefully we can get this done ASAP before we get rained on. He's actually just at Rona getting some parts and screws that he needs to get the install going. Once he gets back, we'll get everything started. I'll show you guys really quickly all the parts. So yeah, this is pretty much all the parts for the truck bed rack that we're going to be installing, and of course the 4-person rooftop tent. Like I said, it's drizzling right now, and hopefully we can get this done as soon as possible. And yeah, we're just waiting for Jack to get back so we can get it all started. What it do, baby? We started by installing the RCI rack.
Oh, look at that, it fits like
a glove
in line with that. And the clamp, I wonder if the clamp's gonna fit here.
Start it up.
Some progress going on. Got awning going. Jack, how you feeling, bro?
Feeling dark.
We're almost there. This is like our 20th break. So we'll check up on you guys in a little bit. While waiting for our friends Chris and Randy to come by and help us mount the RTT, we decided to take it out of the box and check it out. Look at that RTT hard shell. Wash the bottom. Woo! Alright, let's go to sleep.
Oh, shit.
Nice pimp. Since the RCI rack wasn't a straight bolt-on, we had to do some modifications by drilling some holes on the mounting plate. By doing this, it will allow us to mount it right on top of the bed rail. Yeah, it's all installed now. We still got to install the RTT, but probably gonna take another break. But we're almost done. But yeah, and then we gotta just install the awning area after. Cool.
Yeah, those things should be easy.
Yeah, we'll get this started. Alright guys, we pretty much got the bed rack all installed now. Got the RTT all installed as well. Now we're just installing the last piece of the puzzle, which is the awning.
Awning brackets.
I didn't do anything. It's mainly just Jack that did everything.
What are you talking about?
I just watched him while I drank soda. Soda pop.
Yeah.
Like what? We went to Rona like 3 times?
3 times, all times.
Yeah. Back at Rona.
I'm not gonna tighten it yet, just in case I have to adjust.
Yeah. Ooh, looking sick though. Yo, Jack, what we could do is before you leave, we can move your truck here to the side and open it properly.
Open it, yeah. Actually, with the awning, I want to position it so, because it's a 270.
Yeah.
So it clears the tent.
Yeah, for sure. All right, we're gonna get the extender going first. Well, he is, not me. And then we'll check out the 270 awning and get it all set up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go camping in 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm gonna shut up now and get this work. I hit my face!
We're actually good like 5 minutes ago, but I wanted to see how long it was up. I'm just gonna hammer.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hammer it, daddy.
It's not coming out.
Oh, that's what she said.
Oh wait, I gotta wiggle it up.
Oh yeah, wiggle it, daddy.
Stuck.
How old are you?
Old enough.
Old enough for what?
To party.
You wanna try wiggling it out?
Which one? This?
Yeah, that one.
No, it's getting blocked by this thing. You gotta take this whole.
Okay. Yeah, and then let's pivot it out.
Yeah.
Pivot.
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 Pivot. You know where that one is, right?
Yeah, nowhere.
Freaking friends.
Friends.
Pivot.
When they're trying to get the couch
Oh.
out. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
There it's out.
got that one out. Okay, slide it back in.
No, get that one first.
Okay.
I'll grab it. Oh, never mind.
Put it down here.
Yeah, lower.
here.
Yeah, put it as low as you can. I gotta censor that.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna lose. If I ever forget. Yeah.
You can't even finish that sentence. Yeah.
Today we're doing Awning.
Awning.
Barbara!
Oh god, you're delusional.
Yeah, I'm tired. We've been working on this for 9 hours. We took breaks for like so many times. First 2 hours took like a break.
And Kui Chris was here too, right?
Yeah. You press me? Yeah, I'll do it. I can do it first.
Didn't he help you with yours?
Yeah, he did all the work. I didn't do anything. This one I actually helped your crew, Jack. Barbara. Okay, Jack, let's put it back again. Just find the hole. I got it on my shoulder. Just find it.
Find the hole.
Shoulder.
Yeah, find the hole.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Oh, we found it.
Hole found.
Wait.
Got it?
Yeah, and then the top one. I gotta wrench it. And we're done. Actually, no, not yet. We'll probably try to see if you can do it first.
Yeah. I'll pull out, then pull it back in.
Yeah. But there's only one pull-out king. That's Bang. I know you're watching this, Bang. There you go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to wrench it?
Yeah,
Or-
wrench it.
That's pretty much my job. I lean on people.
It's this way, right? Wait, no, it's this way, right?
Yeah. Tight.
Righty tighty.
Righty tighty, lefty
Loosey.
loosey.
Loosey goosey.
Fancy. Oh, that clears it, bro.
Yeah, but I want it closer.
No, dude, that's fine. I think that should be fine.
You pull out the other side?
I got that.
There you go.
Oh, whoa, it goes so far.
Yeah, it's 270 awning.
270.
Climb it. Lift it. Yeah. Oh.
There we go.
All right, now bring it down. I got you, bro.
There you go.
You're so stupid.
Yeah, I'll reach it. Can you? Yeah. I know what you're talking about. Well, bro, use that bicycle. Here. Go.
Oh, here. Oh yeah, we should be good.
Oh yeah, fix it up, dude.
Nice.
Fix it up, Jack.
What?
Fix it up.
Lift what up?
See
I
how
gotta
it
set
looks
that
like.
up.
Huh?
I gotta set that up.
Okay.
Go back down first though.
Ain't no shoes inside, guy.
What up, man?
Oh yeah. Let's see this shot right here. I'm just kidding. Yeah. So now we have everything all out. We got the 270 awning out for Jack, and we got the RTT out as well too. Took us a whole day, but I mean it's all worth it. How you feeling, Jack?
I feel great. Finally.
Yeah. So we got, you guys already saw it earlier. We got the RTT fixed up here, and then we're gonna probably figure out most of it afterwards.
Yeah.
Like when we go on camping in a couple of weeks or something, right? Man, this is honestly, this is really pimp.
That's a cool setup, eh?
Yeah, very. Now you know, like you don't have to bring like. Now you can cover up a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice chill space for
Yeah.
everybody.